each other.
Oh yeah. Milk and chocolate. Like in the middle.
We are the milk and chocolate.
It's like hood. It's hood over here. Like someone could have sex. Like someone could like.
We're walking back.
Hi Ted. Oh wait, shit. I can't say shit like that.
Yeah, you can.
Okay. Anyways, what?
Do you see that white stuff? It's
No.
like swirl, like right here.
Oh my god!
It's really hot.
I'm gonna get black ass Coney. And not that I already am, but even blacker.
Okay, the Ratchet Sisters are out. Alright!